I'm John. Most of my students call me Coach John. My other students call me Sensei John. I'm a sensei because for the last 46 years, I've had the privilege to teach men, women, and children Hawaiian Jiu-Jitsu. And when I'm teaching them every day, I'm honored because I get to teach them the confidence they need in life, the competence they need, and the ability to defend themselves. Well, you're not here for that, but I'm also Coach John. And Coach John gives the same thing to people like you, people that want to be affiliate marketers. I'm going to give you the confidence and competence and the ability to succeed. Well, let me ask you this. What are you doing right now? Are you working right now, 9-to-5 job? Do you get to spend a lot of time with your family, your children? Do you get to go on vacation when you want to? I don't know, probably not. But when I give you this gift of the affiliate life, you will be able to do that. I'm so lucky and privileged that you took a chance and just got this far. Let me tell you how I'm going to do that and why I know you're going to succeed and be able to do what you imagine, do what you dream. This is it. This is your opportunity. It's on your lap. It manifested itself. Let's take a look. So here's why I know you're going to succeed. Because if you think about it, what is affiliate marketing? It's selling other businesses' products online for a commission. How many products have you or your wife or girlfriend or kids saw online and said, I gotta have this? Well, somebody selling that product to them, and when you buy it, they get money. Walmart does this in brick and mortar. You go down there, you buy products, and they get the commissions. Movie theaters do this. You go to watch a movie, and of course, you're spending tons of money on concessions, which are dirt cheap to make, right? And you're paying for the movie. But the real money comes when the studios are giving money to the movie theaters to have their movies in it. That's the real money. Well, as an affiliate marketer, like I said, you work on commission. And outside sales has always been one of the highest paying jobs. So what kinds of things do you do? Well, let me show you some things that I do. I get to sell these portable air conditioners. One day, I was at a casino and it was really hot. And outside, there was a security guard and he had this sitting on his podium. And he was keeping cool just with this on his podium. So I found the online company where you can be an affiliate for this. And I sell these online in the summer. And for everyone I sell, I make $43. During the winter months, I sell Mr. Heater. It's the same product. I get the same $43, and I sell this to people all over the world. These are electronic nail clippers. Have you ever seen these? I watched one of my friends use these ones. So these are cool. You put your nails in this, and you just move it back and forth, and it cuts your nail, files your nail, and polishes your nail all at the same time. I sell these online all over the world, and I get $8.50 for every time I make a sale. Besides the low commission products, you're also going to learn to sell high commission products, such as this educational company. Commission on this, it's $750. Just sell a couple of those every month, and it's great. So let me ask you this. Do you think there's a lot of people on social media every day? I'm sure you would, right? It's a rhetorical question. Maybe you're on social media every day, scrolling and scrolling. Well, here's some statistics I found. I think you'd agree with this, but I found that there's over 170 million people on Instagram just in the United States each day. 90 million people on Pinterest from the United States each day. 50 million people on TikTok each day. I think, by the way, that's a very conservative estimate because these stats are a couple years old. I think it's more like maybe 80, 90, maybe more. What would you say? Are you on TikTok every day? I know I like TikTok. I like Instagram. But anyway. Oh, and I like YouTube. Don't you? Well, you can sell these products on Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and you're going to get millions and millions, over 350 million people every day that can potentially see your product. And all you need is just a very, very small handful of these people, teeny amount of these people, to be convinced they want your product, and you could make a substantial monthly income. Do you believe that? Have you seen something on social media that you wanted and you bought it? Yeah, I'm sure you have, or your girlfriend or wife has. Mine does constantly, but she loves it. So how are you going to do this? Well, to be able to do this, you need to learn how to do it. It's not rocket science. It's an education. It's a process. And then it's a little work on getting your stuff set up. And then you're going to work basically daily on posting on social media and driving traffic to your offers. So here's the opportunity. Here is what you came here for. I'm going to tell you just a quick story of how I got into affiliate marketing. As I said, I have been teaching martial arts for decades. When 2020 came, you know what happened. They shut my business down. The government did. And not only that, they told everybody they had to stay home. My income went from having an incredible income and enjoying my life to basically zero. Wow. But because I'm a martial artist, I never, ever give up. I accepted the challenge and I went online to find a different way to do this. And I happened to come across, or maybe I manifested into my life, Dave Sharp. I saw an affiliate video online just like this with a guy talking and telling how he was going to make me a success. I believed it. I jumped on it. It made sense to me. So I went into the company, and his mentor was Dave Sharp, the founder of Legendary Marketer. This is an educational company like a college, not like a community college, like a Yale or an Oxford college. This is an incredible learning institution. And in this learning institution, they teach you step by step how to be a success. Don't think of this like when you went to college. When I went to college, I got my bachelor's degree in accounting and finance, but all the classes were boring. I really never used anything I had. Legendary Marketer is more like the top trade college where you go in there and they teach you how to do this, and it's step by step. And not only that, in Legendary Marketer, you get an opportunity to talk every single day for free if you're in the program with a person there that's done it before, a mentor, and they're going to look at your stuff. They're going to tell you how you're doing, how you can improve it, and give you ideas of how you can succeed. So you're going to have the education, and then you're going to have the mentors to actually guide you every single day if you want on what you could be doing different to make it. And they're not going to stop to your success. Not only that, but Legendary Marketer is thousands and thousands of people strong, men and women, single moms, single dads, people that just work 9-to-5 jobs that love it, and people that work 9-to-5 jobs that hate their jobs. These people in here are also going to be helping you succeed. And of course, me, Coach John, I'm going to help you every step of the way too, because I want you to succeed. I want to be your sensei. I want to be your coach. I want to get you to live your dreams. What are those dreams? What do you dream of? What are you dreaming of right now, buddy? Are you dreaming of, to travel when you want? I love going to Hawaii. Kauai is my favorite island, me and my girl. We go there a lot. It's just so beautiful. I don't have to work a 9-to-5 job. I have freedom all day to do what I want. I work because I have to post videos. I have to take calls. I have to answer emails and messages. But that's a lot better than I'm sure you can imagine working the 9-to-5, right? I don't want to bore you anymore. Here's the opportunity. I'm just going to lay it out for you. You're going to go to my link, the next page down below. You're going to listen to Dave Sharp. He's going to tell you about Legendary Marketer Company. He's going to invite you to go to what they call the 15-day challenge, where everybody starts. You're going to go through day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. You're going to get a call from one of their business coaches, and their business coach is going to tell you how you can succeed. During about day 3, you're going to get the opportunity to join the college, to join the trade school, to learn all of this and change your life. when you take this opportunity and get in there, you're going to start going through each module step by step, from what is affiliate marketing to how to post your profiles to how to succeed on the major social media platforms. They're going to teach you how to shoot your videos, teach you basically what to say, teach you what to do. And then I'm going to be helping you too along the way to make sure that you follow this plan. I'm going to be there to kick you in the butt, to make sure that you keep going. You're going to be able to call me. You're going to be able to talk to me in messages if you want. And I'm going to give you the motivation and extra help you need. So I want you to join me. Here is your opportunity. It's in your lap. To get started, just go down, click that button, and move on to the next video. Wait, before you go, I do want to tell you one more thing. I got to tell you this. Every morning, Dave Sharp has a YouTube video program, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. He brings in one of the members from the community that's a success, and they talk about how they got started, what they do, their insights. It's very inspirational, but it's also stuff you can use to help you be a success. When these people get on there, and there's thousands of them, I mean, they do a show every single day, Monday through Friday, and they've been doing this for years. That's how many successes there are. They all say the same thing. Listen to this. Listen. They all say this. They wish they would have started sooner. They wish they wouldn't have procrastinated. Are you going to jump on this? Are you going to start changing your life right now? I'm done. Click the link in the button below and move on, and drop me a message and wherever you found me, and let me know you're on my team.